ngiyamazi umhlengi wami akalali yakoze uNkulunkulu ophilisa izifo kodwa esakhe emzimbeni asiyeke. Ulale nge-injection ulazi ivesi emivimbo yakhe saphila ulisho kodwa ungaphili. Abangambizi baphile. Ngisho uNkulunkulu who supplies your needs according to his riches in glory. When you apply, you reject. Abangambizi ba-apply baqashwe babuye bazokuhleka bathi kanti uphi na lo nkulunkulu wakho. Ngisho wena othandaza uthembise ithembiso zakhe asiyeke angazifesi. Kwabathemba amabhodlela namanzi neziwasho avula iminyango. Khuluma ngoNkulunkulu namandla kwenza kodwa engenzi, kodwa qhubeka abe uNkulunkulu. Bambiza kwaWes, bakhipha amakhago, bakhipha amagoods, bawaphosolwandle never to recover them ever again. Bakhiphela ukuthi ba-accommodate a wrong person, balahla izinto zakusasa because of Jonah. Balahla izinto zakwi-destiny ngenxa kaJona olele. Angazi zingakoyilahlile ngenxa yabantu ba-accommodated. Ngengabona uMoses ewisa umthetho awulande for 40 days and 40 nights, wawisa ngenxa yabantu. Wadinela uNkulunkulu ngenxa yabantu. Waxaba noJehova ukuthi umthetho enginikeze wona sewumoshile, wathi it's not me, it's the people. Nenkathi beqeda ukulahla amakhago, amagoods, bethi the storm will have mercy on us and our voyage will be a little bit lighter southwest. Every time you have options in life, you are inviting more storms until you've got no option but God. I have no options but God. When I'm broke, God is my option. When I have money, God is my option. When I am jovially happy, God is my option. When I am sad, God is my option. When I want what I can afford, God is my option. When I want what I can afford, God is in fact, God is my number one and my number last.